All right, guys. Good morning. Oh, we're out already. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome aboard to the Morning Note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to join me today, this morning, at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every morning on the YouTube channel. Sorry, I'm running a little late this morning. Getting all set up here. Let's go ahead and talk about the market. Before we begin, bottom right-hand corner of your screen, little white logo. Click on that. Turn notifications, subscribe to our channel, really do appreciate it. I appreciate all the feedback from last video with Nick. I'll see if I can do another one today with him, the aftermarket recap. Let's go ahead and just get started. The Dow is down 155 points this morning. NASDAQ down about 0.82% on the futures, down 0.55 on S&P futures. Russell's down 0.46%. Crude is up 3.64%. Gasoline futures up 2%. We're at 113.28 a barrel now on oil. Gold futures down up 0.52%, silver 1.11%. Yields are slightly down 7 basis points. The dollar's up quarter of a point, 98.73. The VIX 4.36%, 23.94. And euro dollar is down 33 pips, and the dollar yen is down 7 pips. Bitcoin futures are up 42,450. We slipped below 3,000 on Ethereum. Okay, so first things first, what I'm looking at is crude. And I do have crude longs here. And again, you can see the nice bounce like we talked about. And really the level that we're watching in terms of crude is really that 50-day. We talked about that yesterday. And it seems to be, that's been our line. Now we're starting to hit some kind of resistance that we had from yesterday's overnight move. Again, my still target is around 114.70 to 115 on CL. I have XLE calls. Once that breaks 76.91, we have the 77.5s. We should get to 77 with no problem, and we should be able to cash out those XLE calls. I also have some Oxy petroleum calls as well. They are up pre-market, testing the uptrend. That was through unusual options activity. So again, nice day for energy. Let's see if we get that continuation. Let's take a look at E-mini futures now. Really, E-mini futures, all we're doing is retesting the 50-day. I do have some SPY calls that end today. So again, luckily that I got this move in the morning. I expected a gap up. That didn't happen. If anything, we're just retesting the yellow line here, which is the 50-day. And that level has to hold. If not, you're going to retest 44.54. So again, watching that extremely closely. I do also have some QQQ calls that are actually green. Again, testing the 50-day, same old deal, right at 352.94. That's really in question now. I do have AMD as well. It is breaking the trend here. You can see that 100-day moving average of 112.84 with S&P being down. I'm going to see how we get in the morning. If we get to around 112.84, then yeah, we're more likely to have to cut bait on the trade with just some ugly price action. And the same thing with Caterpillar. Caterpillar is kind of just holding that 50-day. A lot of these companies, again, with big move up, a lot of these stocks are just holding that 50-day MA on the 1 hour. So again, not terrible price action. Kind of expected here and there, but again, no need to panic here, but I am liking the price action in terms of crude. I was expecting this kind of move yesterday, but we had that fade in the morning. So again, let's see if we get to 114.70. John is asking about Apple. Apple, my big level is 170. Once 170 breaks, I expect more upside potential. You can easily hit the 172s, or you can start going for the 175s. That will be the two I'll go for. Maybe the 175s are best because you have a slight gap to fill to the upside on Apple. So a break of 170, I will definitely be hitting the 175 calls for a swing. Let's see if we get that continuation. I don't think there's any more questions this morning. All right, so guys are ready to rock. Again, not much in terms of headlines overnight. Again, a lot of the meme stocks, those Reddit names, the high betas. GME is running this morning. You could see that was up at 148. Now it's down to 131. AMC, again, was at 20 yesterday. Now is at 1876. So again, just be wary. I'll be on the Twitter today, having your back, watching everything, and blogging the market as I go along. I appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button on Twitter as well, watching what we do every day. It's really fun with an audience. Definitely let us be your coach and help you guys out and explain things as we go along. Just a quick housekeeping note. On Friday, I will be leaving to Colombia for the weekend. My 87-year-old grandfather is no longer going to be with us. He's in the hospital now. So again, just going to pay my respects to the colonel. My grandfather, I'll be there until Tuesday night. So I'll be back Wednesday, basically. So again, I will not be here this weekend and Monday and Tuesday, so no morning note. It's just a family thing in Colombia, that's all. Nvidia Levels, let's take a look at it together. Bringing up the daily. Yep, that's your level right there, that 100-day moving average, 270. Break 271, we can start going to the 280s. But I like Nvidia to the upside. I think it does break it anyways. All right, guys, have a good one. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Carmen, for the kind words. We'll catch you guys later for the aftermarket recap. Cheers.